If you are a beginner and you are learning to code in this way that doesn't require you to code at all, which means obviously by using the advanced LLMs like ChatGPT, Claude AI or Cursor, then you are in a great error. Now in these days, there are currently three types of people who are using vibe coding. The first category of people are those who literally don't know the ABC of programming and they are just using vibe coding as a hobby or to build businesses like, for example, a small crappy lead generation website powered by Claude AI without any custom designing and tech stack architecture, etc. I don't know what they wanna do with it as it will ultimately going to fail in the future, and at that time no one will be there to handle the issues. Anyways, they are the one who are utilizing AI just like any other normal person using any other AI software for automation. The second category of people I want to mention are those who are using vibe coding in a professional way. Now this one I will talk about in the end, as this is the actual purpose of creating this video, which is to share with you how to use vibe coding properly and get the most out of it as a programmer. But now let's see the third category of people who are using vibe coding, and these are the ones who are the most badly affected by this virus. Yes, I am talking about the ones who are just started learning to code with AI. But the worst case here is that they are learning this entirely through AI. They just copy-paste prompts into ChatGPT or Claude AI, build small apps and thinking that they are making some progress. But the truth is they are skipping the foundational work that actually makes one a real programmer. They are not learning why it works, how to write clean and well-managed code, how to debug, or most importantly how to think logically like a programmer. Instead, they just rely on AI to solve problems, and while this might seem like a shortcut, it's actually a dead end. For example, when faced with a real problem, especially one that AI can't perfectly solve, they will be stuck. So vibe coding without a fundamental knowledge and skill is like building a house on sand. It might look fine at first, but it won't last properly. Now finally, let's talk about the second category of developers again in detail, and as I said earlier that these people also do vibe coding, but the difference is that they are doing it properly and perfectly than anyone else I mentioned before. They are actually professionals who already understands the core principles of programming. They have spent their time and efforts in learning the fundamentals, so they know how things work behind the scenes. They don't ask AI to build an entire app from scratch. Instead, they use it to handle the boring, repetitive and low impact tasks. For example, they can use AI for tasks like writing some real content for their website and replacing it in their HTML text properly without touching any of their styles and structure. Now this is perfect for getting a first draft of real content into a static site while allowing you to still work on the actual functionality and progress. Create a basic Express.js route with validation for a post request to /API/contact, expecting name, email and message. This is a repetitive task which saves time on the setup, so you can focus on custom logic that goes inside rather creating everything from scratch. These are just few examples, and the list of utilizing AI and doing vibe coding properly is endless. So people in this category use AI with clear, specific prompts and use its output as productivity boost, not as a replacement for their thinking and logic. So ultimately, this is the kind of vibe coding I recommend. Learn the rules and then use AI to break them efficiently. So to conclude, I would say, if you are just starting out, don't fall in the hype. Use AI to assist your learning, but not as a blind helper. Learn one solid tech stack, master the fundamentals of programming like loops, functions, APIs, databases, error handling, performance and security. Then once you have that solid foundation, you will be unstoppable with AI. And then is actually the real power of vibe coding you can experience. I hope you found this video helpful. For more insights on web development and programming, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Also, please check out this video if you want to learn how to start with programming step by step. At last, thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next one.